Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm here to show you what the finished product is, finally done, with the Born in the USA, Made in the USA EDC kit. And instead of me talking about it, let me just show you, and let's get into it. Here on the outside, I made, let me just give you a look all the way around. Okay, you can call this a billfold or a case, leather case, or I guess a wallet or whatever you want to call it. I attached two pockets to it that house a Leatherman signal and a Microtech out the front knife. Okay. And these are, of course, all made in the USA. All right. If you want to see videos on these, I'm sure you're going to find tons of videos on the Signal and the Microtech. So have at it. But just show you the rest of the outside of the case here. There's three symbols on the back that I inscribed. One is an igloo. I'm not sure if you can see it too well under the light. The log cabin. And the teepee. Okay, the Northern Native Americans, the frontiersmen, and Native Americans. So all three are part of the American or the United States. What the United States used to be before, today, before the modern time. So this is our country's cultural heritage. Okay, so the log cabin can represent both white and black people. Okay, as the newcomers who came to America, and the igloo, of course, it represents the non-mainland Native Americans, and the teepee represents the mainland Native Americans. I did not leave Hawaii out purposefully or by mistake. I think we can share the log cabin with Hawaii because they did not come into being a state until more recently, and I think the log cabin can be shared as a wooden structure, like the grass huts are also wooden structures. So basically they can kind of share the log cabin. So that's why I just made the three symbols. And these three symbols were stamped with this, also made in the USA. I can't even pronounce the make of it, but if you look it up on Amazon, you'll see that you can order these stamps in almost any kind of stamp. They're rubber stamps. I first rubber stamped them, and then I took a scribe and etched the drawing in before I colored the leather. So I think it's pretty cool. I don't know how you feel. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the artwork. Anyway, let's go in to the snap button. Okay, it's still a little wet. I was kind of impatient to make this video. Here we have a pocket. Here we have a pocket here that we can put slim tools or cards right here. Okay. There's a field notes, also made in the USA. Okay, and I got this idea from Saigon. I'm messing his name up now. Saigon Jack channel, where he takes this field notes, cuts the one of the pages, folds it in, and tapes it to make a little pocket. So if you want to check that out, go check out his channel. His channel is pretty cool. In fact, this part here is all Sagaglin Jack's inspiration of you know, instead of making a regular leather pouch with the tools and all the EDC stuff that goes in it, I decided to make a billfold inspired by Sagaglin Jack's channel, where he uses his notepad for all sorts of neat things. He does channel almost dedicated to the field notes and other note taking notepads, where he just gives a lot of good advice on how to utilize pen and paper, basically. So, and in the back, we have a neat little pocket here for a passport, and you know, US passport. Okay, so I probably won't utilize this pocket for the passport. I probably put this back in the safe. But what I probably utilize this pocket here for is I'm gonna order the Leatherman bit kit, the slim versions, and I'm gonna put side by side in here, and that's where I'm gonna store my Leatherman bits, in this pocket probably. Also here we have a pocket here that I can use to put money, or it's like a wallet, you know, put money in there, put some couple of credit cards in here, or membership cards. I carry a separate little wallet that holds all of my cards and major identifications, so I really don't need a billfold to act as a wallet. But this can actually hold maybe some receipts in conjunction with the pocket I made here out of one of the pages, thanks to Sagaglin Jack. And also this pocket here I can use for, like I said, little slim tools, or maybe some pictures. You know, if it's it fits a passport, something thick as a passport in there. So anything that I want to put in there, that's slim enough that'll fit in there. And also there's a pocket right here. Like I said, this flap here is the notepad flap that's in here, but I can put some cash in here like that. Okay. And like I said, it's still kind of wet. And I don't want to manhandle it too much until it's completely dry. So I'll probably do a couple of more videos with this after I break it in, give you a little update how it's holding up and how it's working out for me. This was specifically designed to fit any cargo pants pocket. Okay, it's a standard cargo pants pocket size, so I specifically designed it that way. The thickness is about 1 inch thick, including the pocket here, and there's absolutely I wore this before I finished it in my cargo pants pocket, and is actually a lot more comfortable, believe it or not, than wearing the Viperade pouch, that type of pouch. So this is like taller than the Viperade pouch, those kind of pouches, but because of that, it sits in the cargo pants pocket more stable, and it fills up the pocket, and it actually, it's not so tall that it sticks out or anything like that. So yeah, and if you look at it real carefully, it's kind of rough cut and unrefined, and with all my leather work, that's what I go for. It's kind of lazy in a way, but I also like the rough cut look of like a mountain man or Native American or primitive man art, craft work. I like it to look a little put together instead of refined and like made in a factory kind of look. You know, I like this, you know, look. Makes it definitely screams handmade. You know, definitely screams, hey, it's made by someone with a primitive nature. You know, and I like it. If tell me what you feel, how you feel about it. I said, give you another look inside. Pocket right here. Okay. Field notes. Passport pocket. And there's a little pocket there too. Okay. And now, because I had certain parameters, so this would fit really well in the cargo pants pocket, I couldn't make it any bigger or any smaller. This just perfectly sits inside of a cargo pants pocket, and this the paracord lanyard, I can just pull this knife out of my pocket without removing the billfold, and you know, and also the Leatherman, I could pull that out without pulling the whole billfold out, and because the parameters are so tight and strict, I couldn't add a space in there for a pen. I mean, even the smallest pen cannot fit in here. There's no way to really put it in here and still be able to close this. I can still put like flat cards, a couple of flat cards in here. I could put another card in here, this pocket, and I could replace this with a Slim Tools or whatever, and I could stick some money in here and still close it. But a round pen, or even it would literally have to be a pen the size of a Swiss Army knife, one of those little tiny pens, to fit in here, and that's what I might wind up doing. But what I'm gonna probably do is probably carry a pen separate whenever I do carry this EDC kit. I probably have a pencil or pen on a separate. Okay, so also there was no way to really fit this in here. I guess I could have made a pocket to fit this in between the two, but it just wouldn't have looked right, and it's barely enough any kind of space. The knife is just a little too wide for me to fit that in there. So what I'm gonna do, the old timer made in the USA old timer knife is going to stay in my pocket, probably along with the pen. Maybe I'll make a separate little holder for this and a pen, you know, and carry it together. So yeah, this right here was ordered from California. If you're interested in looking, well, you know, I put the name up here. What's the name right here? Do I got it upside down? But anyway, yeah, I sure did. There you go. There you go. If you wanna type that in Amazon search, it'll come up, and then you can order whatever stamp you want. And so anyway, born in the USA, made in the USA, EDC, billfold, pouch, or whatever you want to call it. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it, and I will do a couple of more videos on it later. Check you out later. Bye.